Man, look here. On today's episode of Fix Your Motherfucker Self, we already did the install, but you know, I just want to show y'all something that, you know, ladies always say size matters. Well, in this case, on this installation, size really didn't matter, goddammit. Look, we already saw the video on that. Okay. So let me show y'all what the fuck is back here, making it beat like this. So this little bit ass 8-inch sub by Skar Audio. So yeah, that's one of them. That's it in the 40 box. Motherfuckers beating though. You know what I'm talking about? I'm just saying. So we're gonna holler at y'all. On today's episode of Fix Your Motherfucker Self, well, we never did install. I'm just give y'all a little details of what I done did. Okay. So we done put a 5-channel Skar Audio amp, car a little dirty, underneath the seat here. Y'all might can see there's the blue light that shows you the amp under there. And then you hit the trunk button here. Of course, y'all know in the previous video, I put that in. Let me get the trunk button. Guess I thought I did, but I guess I didn't. And
no Garoppolo, no Monster had his 80-yard touchdown run, and he was done quickly. Kittle.
We gonna get on and holler at y'all. His wife's ready to go to the store. So we can holler at y'all later. Hey! So, we're playing it. She's got her iPod hooked up to it now. She's playing Lollipop. So what do you think? We gonna holler at y'all next time around.